and I'm fixing my hair as if I have long hair. Hi guys, so my name is Mahima Sakpal and welcome back to my channel. In my today's video, I did my makeup after 1 month. So if you're wondering why 1 month, Mahima, the reason why I did my makeup after 1 month is because I was dealing with some severe allergy. So I'm going to be sharing my story why, how, क्यों, कैसे, कब, क्वारंटाइन के टाइम वो भी, sad luck. So anyways guys, I would like to share my story, how it started, and I would go with the start first. So one evening, this was 1 month back, like before the lockdown and all, like it was more than 1 month back. I had two boils on my face, so I told my father. But yeah, so I told him like I'd got two boils, and these are not acne pimples. They pain, dad. I just told him honestly. So he told me, let's go to a doctor. So we went to a normal doctor, and I feel that is the most dumbest thing I did, because I should have gone to a dermo right at that moment. Regrets. But anyways, we went, like me and my dad, we went to a local doctor. She's near my area. We always go there. So I went to her. She saw my skin and she's like, dear, this is because of makeup. And when she told me, my dad gave me that look, and I was crying inside. Anyway, so she told me like it was because of makeup, and that was not scary. What the next thing she told me was more scary. She told me, this will increase, Mahima. This will increase. Tomorrow when you wake up, it will be more. And you know, when someone tells you something really, dangerous, you will be like, okay, let's see. I am kind of that kind of person. And when next day I'll put out the photo. Look, just look at my face next day. Ka. So, so my nose, where I had only two little boils, my next day my nose was filled with boils, and it was not even about the boils, it was the pain, because I couldn't even touch it. It was that painful. So anyways, like that time I realized now I have to go to a skin specialist, and this time there was no lockdown, so by god grace there was a skin specialist near my area. So we went to a skin specialist. The next day he gave me medicine. He told me to eat this, like eat healthy, don't drink more water, and he gave me medicines basically. And then he told me to come after 2 days. So during that 2 days I religiously followed that. He whatever he told me, I did that. And the best part, though I thought it was the best part, it was not. But anyways, that time my skin started to get improved. So it was not like it cleared my skin, but I had like positive effects of the things he told me to do. So I went after 2 days. My skin was really good, like it was improving. So he told me, looking at my skin, अरे बेटा ये तो बहुत अच्छा हो रहा है अभी 10 दिन के बाद. And that time there was no lockdown, so even I was like, okay fine, I'll come after 10 days. किसको पता था लॉकडाउन होने वाला था वो टाइम पे. So okay fine, I am doing my thing and all that, and skin is kind of improving also during that time. So after 10 days I had to go, right? But after 2 3 days, my skin started getting boils all over my body, all over my body, on my face, everywhere. So that time I remember, after 2 3 days at night I went, and that time it was something. हाँ, the government has said lockdown हो गया भाई, start हो गया lockdown. So anyways, evening को I went to have a look whether he's there or not. I was guessing he was there. I had prayed that I hope he's there. But when I went, there was a note written on his clinic. It was a clinic. There was a note that this clinic will open after 5 6 days. So that time I went home. That night I again just had the medicine what he gave me. So again, me and my dad one evening went to our local area and tried to find a skin specialist or any doctor by that case who could find, just understand what I was struggling with. So we went to one of the clinic again. There was one more skin specialist in our area. So I don't know how my mother had his personal number, some other that skin specialist number, not the one which I was already going to. So the other one which we were trying to get in touch while calling, but it was not working. But my mom had his personal number. I don't know how, by God grace I should pray. So my mother messaged him on WhatsApp, and so my mother texted him, and she sent him my photo and told him, like, doctor, your clinic is closed but my daughter is in pain. And it was such a mother message, I feel now. So anyways, he just replied one line on my mom's big message, was that come to this hospital at this time. And when he saw my skin, he was like, oh my god, dear, there's something wrong with your skin. Because when I went to him, as I told, my allergy was on my body. Imagine if it was on my face earlier, it was on my body, my back, my hand, my legs, my whole legs, my everything was filled with boils, and painful boils to be precise. So he told me that time only, you need to do a blood test because this is wrong, something which I'm seeing. So okay, after the clinic, I like, after he told me to do the blood test, that moment only I went, that day only. And the blood tests were going to be coming tomorrow. So I got the blood test and gave it to the doctor, and I'll also show it to you guys now. So this is the blood test which she told me to get. And obviously I'm too dumb in science, and I couldn't understand when I got this blood test because it was so 3 pages. I'm a commerce student, I can't understand science at all. So I showed it to the doctor whom I was consulting. He told me, see, I can't even pronounce this, I'll just put it out. So here, where it is supposed to be 100 for a normal human being, mine was 247. 100 किधर है और 247 किधर है? So I asked him, like, sir, what is this, like, what am I struggling with, doctor? So he told me this is related to blood cells, red blood cells, he told me. And I was like, okay, so what should I do? So he told me, stop eating canned food, because maybe, he said, you got this allergy because of canned food. So when he said this to me, one thing struck me really fast, is that one night I do the, like, I could have a award for the dumbest things I've done in my life. So one of the thing, that is, during this allergy time only, I had peanut butter. So peanut butter is a canned food, obviously everyone knows. So the moment I had peanut butter, my lips were burning. Like, I could actually had to rub the peanut butter from my mouth. It was that painful to me. So anyways, that time when he told me, he gave me some medicines, he gave me cream to apply it on my body, and he just told me, stop having canned food for real. So anyways, I stopped eating canned food, and this is my skin today. Only the thing, this allergy did leave me with some marks, as you can see over here, even here. So yeah, it's okay, it's fine, we're good anyways now. कुछ छाप छोड़ के चले गए एलर्जी. But anyways, this was my struggle during quarantine to find out, to get my things together. Maybe it took a really, not, it didn't took too long, but if it would have been normal days, I would have gone to my normal dermo, who was quite far from my house. Now I realize, now you realize sometimes the person whom you need on a daily basis are like 10 kilometers far from you. Like, this is what quarantine made me realize. If this would have been normal days, I just would have gone to my dermo. He's like a god to me. He has made my skin so better, and I really worship him. So yeah, this is what it would have been on a regular base. But anyways, जो होता है होना ही है. No one can stop this, honestly. And by God grace, it could have been more worse, but it was okay wala worse. Anyways, it is fine now. I'm really thankful for that, and I'm really thankful to God for making me fine and making my skin better now. I'm not struggling with anything now, and also I do have peanut butter now, because he told me later you can have, but only during the medicines. He's told me stop it. But anyways, I'm back to normal, and life's good, and I'm enjoying quarantine too. I'm watching Netflix, I'm doing everything that I love. And let's go, shall we?